If you love a really good Napoleon, one with layers of flaky pastry, brimming with a filling that you only dream of diving into head first, then you're going to go crazy over what we're whipping up today. The first thing we want to do is bake off a package of frozen puff pastry dough. While that cools, we whip up our to-die-for filling. To make it, we whisk together a package of vanilla pudding mix with some milk. Once that thickens up, we fold in some whipped topping. You want to do this gently so it stays nice and fluffy. Now to assemble this, we break up the sheets of our baked pastry and layer about a third of it into a trifle dish before spooning on a layer of our filling. A little chocolate sauce goes over that, and we repeat that 2 more times. This sure is a whole lot easier than trying to make individual Napoleons. And when you serve layers of this crispy pastry, brimming with the vanilla cream that's laced with the chocolate sauce, oh my goodness. To get the recipe for our Napoleon Trifle, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a decadently tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. It is decadently tasty.